Hey there. Teachers spend their own money on their classrooms every year, and most of it goes untracked, which means unclaimed at tax time. Let me walk you through the teacher classroom budget tab by tab. Start on the dashboard, what you've spent, what category it went to, what's been reimbursed, and how much of the educator deduction you've used. The expense log is the main record, date, item, category, amount, and whether it's reimbursable, one row per purchase. Supply inventory tracks what you have in the room, what's running low, and what needs replacing next term. The back to school list is your start of year buying plan with estimated costs before you commit. Grants and donations records what you've applied for, what came in and from where, including parent and community contributions. The reimbursements tab tracks what you've submitted to the school and what's still outstanding, so nothing gets quietly dropped. The classroom library catalogs your books, their cost, and their reading levels, both a deduction and an inventory. Monthly spending breaks your outgoings down by category and month, which shows just how front-loaded the school year is. The year-end summary totals your eligible educator expenses against the deduction limit, ready for your return. And the wish list holds what you'd buy next, prioritized, ready to hand to a grant application or a parent who asks. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.